PayPal is a great app to buy stuff and transfer money. In this video, we'll learn to use the PayPal app on mobile. So, let us begin. Alright, open the app. If this is your first time, you'll need to log in to PayPal. I'll do that quickly. This is the interface. We have 3 tabs at the bottom. Home is the main page. On the top is our PayPal balance. Tap on it to see your balance activity and to add more money to your account. On the top, I have users whom I've sent money to in the past. We can pick one and send them again. We also find our activity. Tap this See More to find all your transactions. The amount in black shows the money spent and the green shows the money received. We can filter those results and see payments from a single user by putting their name or email in this box. The Wallet tab is to see the balance and to add bank accounts. Pick an account to see the details and to remove it. To add a new account, click Add New. PayPal supports banks and cards. Choose the option from here. Depending on your region, you'll find the options. For example, in Australia, we have the account and BSB number. Pick the card option to add a debit or credit card. Sending and requesting money on PayPal is quick. We have both buttons on the main interface. Tap Send. You'll find users to whom you have sent money before. If you're sending it to a new person, put in their PayPal email. I highly recommend inserting their full email address and then tapping the contact. Next is the amount to insert. You can change the currency and add a note from the bottom. This is to remind them why are you sending this money. The next screen is important. Choose goods and services if you are buying something from them. Otherwise, pick the second option. Then we need to choose whether we want to send money from our PayPal balance or the account. If you have nothing in your PayPal, the bank account will be selected. Lastly, tap Send. Done. You can also request money. Type their email address on the top and then click on their name. You'll be asked the amount and currency. Let's type $25. Adding a note here is possible as well. Lastly, tap Request and then Request Now. The sender will get a notification and an email with a link. They can open the notification or the link to pay you. The payment screen also lets us send and request money and has additional options. Bills is where you'll find your automatic payments. These include subscriptions and any other bills that support PayPal automatic payments. I have a Netflix account that was charged through PayPal for a while. I can tap on it to see all the payments and my bank account details. Another tab is Give, which is to donate to charity or start a fundraiser. On the top is the amount you have donated and raised. The app settings and your profile are here. We have some options that you can explore. The profile settings are further down. From here, we can change our account details, close our account and see our login history. Now we'll add money to PayPal. Tap the balance. Then click Add Money. PayPal will ask for the amount to add. The next screen shows the available options and payment methods. Mine is already picked, so I'll just tap the Add button. Done. Now we'll see how to pay with PayPal online. However, I must mention that you don't need the PayPal app because the website will just get your account details. Anyway, on the checkout page of a website, click PayPal as the payment option. The PayPal website will load. You must insert your account details here and verify your account if required. Then you'll need to choose your payment account. Pick PayPal balance or one of the added accounts. Click Complete Purchase. The website will redirect to the payment website to show the order complete message. All done. Before we go, there are a few additional options for PayPal in the app. The first is the QR code. You can pay someone or someone can pay you through the app using the QR code. Click on the top. Then tap the seller QR code to generate your code. People can tap the scan button to scan this code and pay. You can do the same as well. Another feature is username. It's good to create one from the profile settings if you haven't already done so. With usernames, you can just share your username with them to pay without sharing your email address. So this is it. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.